Assalamu alaikum, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how can you make this 3D part and creo parametric. This is really very easy once you know about the dimension of this part. The whole length from here till here becomes 150 and width length becomes, both of them are 50-50. So let me open a new file, assign the proper name and say OK. This time I will extrude. This time I will choose front plane. Now this time I'm going to choose the center rectangle. This width is 50, the length is 150, and say OK. Now the thickness of this feature becomes 50, mid plane, and say OK. Right? Now I will create this rounds and the radius is 25. For that, come to round, select the edges, press and hold control key, this edge, and the value of the round is 25. I will choose this one and this one, and the value is 25. Just say OK. Right? Now to create these cutouts, for that I will choose this plane, make it normal, extrude. This time again I will create the center rectangle. I will put a point over here. This is 20 and this is 50. This width is 20, while from here come to dimension, from here till here this is 50. Just confirm it. Now flip the direction, remove material, and this time I will choose through all. Say OK. Again, to create the second cutout, for that I will choose this plane, go to extrude, again select the center rectangle, put a sketch point over here, dimension it, this is 20, while from here till here come to dimension, from here till this line this is 50. Say OK. Again, remove material and this time choose through all. Now the last feature is to create these cutouts of circular having diameter of 20. For that I will choose this plane, make it normal, extrude. I will take the reference of this circle, draw one circle over here, and the diameter is 20. Just say OK. Now flip the direction, and this time I will create through all, as you can see. Now to create the second cutouts on this plane, right, once again I will take the reference of this circle, draw one circle over here, and the diameter is the same as the first one. This is 20. Now flip direction and again through all. Say OK. So this is really very easy for you people, and the part is done. Hopefully you like this video, and let me assign some color for this part. For example, parts like the part, and say OK. So hopefully you like this video. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.